Today I'm stacking that dryer on top of the washer. Two Samsung units. This has a heat pump, so getting to the drawer when it's up on top might be an issue, but here are the procedures. First, went ahead and attached this bracket on that says left and that says right. That's based on the back. Two screws. One that was here already, had to remove it to get the bracket on, and then another one that came with it. Four screws on top, same as on both sides. Then snap in this wiring harness. One side connects into the back of the washer right there. The other side is going to go into the dryer so that now we can control all of it from the front of the washer here. You just switch between washer and dryer right here.
Är du med Sofie?
Ja.
Okej. Ner bak.
Ja.
Lite om mot mig. Sånn.
Nu ska du bara skjuta in då. Kontakten.
Ja, nej, det är bra.
Men kontakten då?
Ja, den ska kopplas på undersidan.
Ja, men den är ju fast där.
Ja, så jag måste dra lite ut igen.
Okej. Sånn.
Once the dryer was on top, we connected that connection right there, actually prior to pushing it all the way back. Then put in this protective piece with the one screw here and one screw there to lock it in place. And that's all followed up by a trim piece. And yeah, that'll go in here and here. Ta-da! All done. It's all done. Hope that helped out if you're trying to get these stacked, because the installation instructions kind of are horrible. So that's it. Cheers.